What's up, guys? We are at it again. About to fuck some more shit up on this Porsche 944. Got some swivel joints and whatnot that we can hopefully get in there with. And a really bad t-shirt.
Just came off and it fell.
It just fell?
Yeah. But I have a replacement bolt for that.
There's that elusive piece of shit.
All right, now we just got to figure out how to get that one on the other side.
Yeah, that's...
Which shouldn't be a problem with our new swivel joints.
hopefully right there. That's it right there. That's it. Great flashlight there.
It just wants to party, man.
It just wants to party.
Is that on?
It looks like it.
It's close.
Definitely looks that way. Oh, it just came off. So you use two swivels.
We got the swivel, and since we didn't have the standard, we have the adapter, then we have the actual socket on the extension on the ratchet. Some bastard just left a washer out. And there we go. 4 hours of work. 2 nuts and a washer.
It's nuts, bro.
Pulls straight out, supposedly.
It looks like it is.
But now how in God's name are we gonna get it out of there?
Well, here, this is blocking it coming backward. You see this right here?
Yeah, the hard line.
Yeah, the hard line is blocking this from coming back.
That shouldn't be an issue to pull out of the way. Because there's no way in hell we're gonna be able to take that.
Yep. Got it.
Got it.
But it's attached to something. This. It's attached to this line.
Okay. Well, that has to be replaced anyway. And I have that line right over there. Because remember, it was a little bit too small for that, but I measured it and it's the same as that.
Oh, that's cool. Because this one was a piece of shit.
If we wanted to, we could just rip it, but just in case something happens, we'll be careful with it.
Look at that. Did you just look at that? Oh shit, is that the pin from inside that we were looking at? The yellow clip?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
This goes on the pinion behind the clutch pedal.
Full circle.
And now we just gotta do everything in reverse.
I half know what we're talking about or doing. At least we're trying.
Now the one thing we need to be careful of is the retention clip. That has to be a specific measurement away, according to what I read. So we need to take the measurement.
That's leaking stuff.
Yeah, that's the brake fluid still in the line. But we need to measure the distance between the thread. I don't have my tape measure out here. But
There's a rite of passage shot right there. That's funny to you Porsche drivers. So what is that? An inch and...
a little over 1.5 inches.
fucking teamwork. Kinda.
Maybe. Shit.
Vice Scripts Lauver. Nobody calls me that.
And while I'm thinking about it, let's go ahead and check this with the other.
What y'all think? Leave a comment if you think we're fucking this up.
It's not. You don't have. You got a little bit of rot right there, but.
Well, yeah, broke in half.
But honestly, I think we can be able to use that. If not, we can run up to.
Where does it go? Where does it go? That looks unsafe.
Just a little bit. But we're not working in a garage, we're working in a driveway, so you do what you gotta do.
That's right. In the driveway, we cut towards the fingers.
But we don't run with scissors.
Nope, because we don't have them. I got a fresh cable, fresh kicks for the clutch.
No, we just gotta find the hole.
Yeah, we need some like bright, like turquoise lines to put in here so people are like, wow, this thing's modded, dude.
Make everything into a hard copper line. If it breaks again, we'll just use duct tape.
Yeah, you could just zip tie that on here.
There we go. Now let's check under the dash to be sure it came through.
Crazy. You get her.
And there we have it.
Nice. Yeah. So, putting the bolt back on that. He's probably just underneath and just hand turn it.
Yeah, and then we'll come back with the driver. Don't forget our one washer that was left on there. If I can. Look at that. Oh, shit. It's like ring toss with vertigo.
You got it. It's on.
And we're probably doing something wrong because this feels too easy. So all the Porsche fans out there, I'm sorry.
Oh. See?
I'm using the phone screen to navigate my way there. I'm on it.
On it.
Just a couple rotations is all
I wish I
need.
could stick my fingers down there and turn it. You got it. It's
There
on.
we go.
Hell yeah.
Now the other one.
There. Let me see. If I don't drop this one.
And it's a rape.
How that happened, but it took two of us to get that bolt on. Fuck. So now we gotta get this hard line in.
I'm gonna go ahead and hand tighten those two bolts just for peace of mind.
All right.
And that way the hard line will be a little more aligned with the threads. And we don't risk bending it in any way, shape, or form.
Gotta protect your threads.
Safety.
Yeah. Hopefully it won't blow up while I'm driving it.
I just don't want to crack the head. Are they aluminum? The beam doors?
It is an aluminum.
It is.
Yeah, aluminum head. There it is.
Now, this is where I got to go from underneath, and you need to fish it from the top.
All right.
I got a Superman again. Figure out where I'm going.
Uh-oh.
It's in the drip pan.
Well, at least it went to the drip pan. It's not, in the middle of the fucking car.
How did we do this before? I fed it from the top.
You...
And
Did you?
I think think so. Fed it from the top, aligned it from the bottom. But I
think you put it in your hand.
that needs to be a little. How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? How many twists does it take to get to the firewall of a Porsche?
How many twists does it take to get to your master cylinder? Got it stopped.
This job would have been impossible without that kit that you got.
Yeah. Woo!
We're good.
Yeah.
You still
so
have
are
your
my fingers.
Alright, I think that is tight.
That's super tight. It's hella tight. Obviously to spec. Alright, so this guy, what was that? It just popped out?
Turn.
This thing is a bastard.
Turn.
Sounds like the last thing.
Didn't really lose any brake fluid. We lost a couple drops, but we still want to bleed it.
Yeah, I've got all new brake fluid too.
And I have that bleeder tool.
You got the bleeder?
Well, little Harbor Freight
Super bleeder.
Bleed-O-Matic.